Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add printers to Windows 11. Click Start, Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices. Click Printers and Scanners. Click Add Device. Click Add Manually. Check Add a local printer, click Next. Click Have Disk. Click Browse to select downloaded printer driver from manufacturer website. Click OK. Click Finish. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.